Andy Againman at Filmar Alipayo hiwalay na. Usap-usapan ngayon ng mga netizens sa social media ang umano'y pag-unfollow ng couple na sina Andy Againman at Filmar Alipayo sa isa't isa sa Instagram. Kasunod nito ang mga cryptic post ni Andy Againman na nagpapatunay ng mayroong alitan sa dalawa at dahil ito sa babae. Isa mga series of posts ng actress ay "Just found out it's the year of the snake. I thought it was the year of the wolf in sheep's clothing." Kasunod pa nito ay "Or maybe she could be thinking you said you were broken up and he said you went crazy for having feelings, so I'd be on his side 100% cause don't care about you or your little children. Cause you crazy and I'm definitely not doing this cause I'm actually toxic. But maybe that's just me since I'm the crazy one." May isa ding post ang dalaga kung saan nag-chat ito sa AI na chat at humingi ng validation at sinabing thanks for the validation. Ayon naman sa ilang netizens ay hindi na nakakagulat na nangyari ito sa dalawa given na marami na silang napagdaan ng sitwasyon na ganito noon. Pahayag pa ng isa, "Surely this shouldn't come as a surprise to her. I mean, the guy had like, what? 1 and 2 baby mamas before her yet has never been married. Also, he's a notorious flirt who left his ex-girlfriends through cheating. Or did she just gaslight herself for almost 6 years? The guy has been shady since episode 1, I can't feel bad for her." Narito naman ang ilan sa mga komento ng netizens. "Being in a relationship is never easy. Mas lalo pag mag-asawa na. Mahabang pasensyahan at intindihan dahil magkaibang ugali, pag-iisip at pakiramdam. Whatever happens basta unahin ang mga bata. Secure them at palakihin ng tama. Ginusto mo yan te, you deserve what you tolerate." Nung na-issue iyan pinagtanggol mo pa kahit talagang kahina-hinala naman yung kilos niya nung time na yon. Wala talagang forever senyora, kaya wag ka na umasa. Anong masasabi mo sa balitang ito? Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.